How to seal sill plates with FROTH-PAK Sealant like a pro. You need FROTH-PAK Sealant, Tyvek hooded coveralls, eye protection and respirator with organic vapor and P100 cartridge, nitrile gloves, and a trash bin. First, make sure all flame sources are extinguished. Then, prep the area and double-check the manual. Next, check that the kit contents are between 70 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, mix the tanks. Lift the InstaFlow dispenser from the box and fully uncoil the hose. Now, coat the inside face of the InstaFlow dispenser with petroleum jelly. Fully open both tank valves. Then, check for any product flowing through the lines. If there's no product, shut the tanks off immediately and check the troubleshooting guide in the manual. Pull trigger of InstaFlow dispenser and dispense until both streams are equal. Wipe down the dispenser face and apply more jelly. Push the nozzle firmly into the InstaFlow dispenser. Hold the dispenser at least 6 inches away from the spray area and fully engage the trigger when you're ready. Move in a steady line across the sill plate. Keep in mind that the foam cures in just 30 to 60 seconds. Clean the product from the dispenser face with a clean rag. Once spraying is complete, push down on the ejector to remove your nozzle. Then clean your dispenser and reapply one last coating of petroleum jelly. And firmly reinsert your used nozzle once more. Close both cylinder valves and store. Reuse your FROTH-PAK for up to 30 days. Continue ventilating the area for at least another hour. That's it. FROTH-PAK Sealant up to 2 inches thick by 4 inches wide can be left uncovered. Need fuller coverage? Use our FROTH-PAK insulation kits instead. And that's how you professionally seal larger gaps with ease using FROTH-PAK Sealant.